Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Metamask application. Logging into Metamask app is a straightforward process and it will only take a few minutes. So let's get started. Tap open Metamask application from your app drawer. Soon after you do that, it'll then prompt you to enter your password. Simply type in your password that you've set up for your wallet in the text box. If you don't remember your password, you will need to reset your wallet and restore your wallet with your secret phrases. If you remember your password, simply type it in the password field. Once done, tap on unlock and you have successfully logged into your Metamask account. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.